Hello! Today we're going to show you how to export your contacts out of Smart Business 2000 into a CSV file and then import them into your Gmail account. We'll start here by clicking on the contacts. To make sure that we have all of the contacts, we will go up and click Find All, and you can see that it now shows 330 total and they're sorted. From the File menu, we're going to export records, and you can see right now it's coming up as comma separated text files. If it isn't, go through here and select it so that it's comma separated text files. You need to give it a name. Contacts works for me. We're just going to put it on the desktop here. Now it'll ask you what you want to bring over. You can see that I've already set it up in a head advance: company name, address, city, state, zip, phone, email. You'll notice that there's also the phone direct line, the fax, the cell. If you guys want to bring that over, you can, and you can match that up in Gmail, but for right now we're just doing these. Export that, and it actually doesn't take much time, guys. You'll see here it is on the list. Now, when we open this contact file, I'm using the Open Office, you notice that it has all of our contact's name, address, so on and so forth. What we need here is we need to have all of these rows titled. So you want to come up here and hit to Insert Row. And you see now we have a row where we can give it the name. Well, with Gmail you need to have it a specific way. I'll drag this over, and you can see that they're saying we should have first name, last name, email address, home address, mobile phone, etc. So we're going to do that. And zip code is just that, zip code. And the phone number, we're just going to go ahead and put mobile phone as the example, but when you look in your Google Contacts, you can see that this can be home phone, all kinds of stuff. And then the last one here we're going to do is the email address. And once you do that, all you got to do is come up here and save it as such. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring our website over here, and you'll notice that this is a new Gmail account that I set up for this. Coming right here, you'll see that we're looking at our mail, and here's our contacts. And of course the only contact in there right now is me. So to import the contacts, just right down here, import contacts. It says please select a CSV or a vCard file. You know the vCard files are the ones that like you use in Microsoft Outlook, and a lot of people will put them in the end of their emails if you're only doing one. But because we're doing all of these, we're going to do this. You can see you could actually make a group and call it Hunter if these were your customers, and add it to that group. For today we're just going to bring it in this way. We'll click here on the desktop, look through the desktop for that contact CSV file, and there it is. We'll hit open and import, and it says we have imported all 330 contacts And like, okay, you sure about that? You go up here, what do we got? 326 contacts. Now it said 330, but there's 326. Normally that's because there's some duplicates that just ended up going together. But now when we click on this, they're all here. Pretty amazing how fast that is. One of the things we do want to go back to is, let's go back here to this guy here. See how we don't have a picture? For all, like if you have service reps, and of course we all do in here, if you wanted to add their picture, an easy way to add their picture is you could either upload a picture from your phone or from your computer. But if it's a Hunter rep, just go over here to the Hunter website. In my favorites menu, I happen to have the Hunter email addresses. And we could just scroll down here to service representatives. Come on, going too far for my own self. There's my ugly mug. We'll highlight it, hit Control C to copy it, go back over here in the manager, hit web address, and Control V to paste it. And it'll say you want that image, and then you can crop it to make it fit. And yeah, you could even suggest that picture, boy. And then you're done. Now, once this is done and you've got your smartphone set up for Google Sync, all of these contacts will be on your smartphone within minutes. I've done it with the BlackBerry, I've done it with an iPhone, and I've done it with my new Droid. It is an easy way to keep all your contacts up to date. But that's it.